What's good, family? It's your girl Tracy Crochetologist here with a long-awaited, very long-awaited. It is summer. Ooh, we got some strayaways. That's okay. It's Kima. It's Kima. Kima, Soul Wave. Just let your soul blow. Just let your soul. Anyway, so this hair, she's giving Shaka vibes. Like, I'm feeling like every woman with this hair. Like, what do you want from me right now? What more could you possibly want from me? So, she slays. Kima is bae. Y'all know the average, okay? 4 to 6. We gonna go for the challenge. I was kind of skeptical with this red hair. I was like, oh, red? Like, yo, that's kind of, I don't know. I was in my vibe for a minute and then whatever. So, I'm loving it. It's giving me life. It's giving me abundant life, but that's only Jesus. But I'm just saying, this is what it is. Okay, this is what it is. Come through with the red. Yes, this is 99J Harlem 125. Y'all need to get at me like yesterday. Okay. Yeah, we got a little shoulder action going on. We got a little sleeveless game popping off today. You know, it's big girl world right now. We doing what it do. But anywho, this hair, it was only one pack, 20 inches. You know how we do. Cut it. We kind of tried to, you know, keep from, you know, with the bluntness. But for the most part, she's done data. I got the foundation that's homie laid out. You know what I'm saying? We was like, yo, we ain't been at this in a minute. We got to hit this. And it's like, girl, we gonna make it do what it do. And ain't it just like Black Girl Magic? Like, this was unscripted. Normally I have a plan on what I want to do. This hair was not planned. But she had plans. She said, sis, you need life. Let me give it to you, okay? And voila. I'm every woman looking like me. Don't come for my vocals. Anyway, so it's been a minute. Like, how y'all living? You know, is life treating you good? Are you loving on your folks? Are you taking the time to acknowledge what matters most? It's good. Like, I ain't hollering at y'all in a minute. Hey, what's up? You know, let's get some comments popping off at the bottom. And you know how this do. We get at it. 4 to 6. This is a short video because y'all know I don't like all that chatter and whatnot, even though that's how you get your coins. Monetization. We here for it. We gonna get there one day. But until then, we just gonna have fun and kick back. That's what we do on this channel. So anyway, my beautiful peoples and new subbies. Hey, it's Tracy. I know it's been a minute. Y'all like, girl, what's up? It's man, we ain't seen you. I know. I was out living my best life with braids. It was braids. Oh, you know what? I remember why I bought this burgundy hair now. It was on sale. Sam's Beauty Outlet. No, I'm sorry. Sam's Beauty. I'm getting my stores mixed up. SamsBeauty.com is the plug. And I recall writing it down apparently. And the hair is buy one, get one free. It was $2.99 for this pack of lovely everything. I only paid $3 for this hair. See, I had so much hair in the tote, child. I didn't even know. Okay, I told y'all I didn't know what I was doing. And I dug through the archives and this is what came up. And I was like, ooh, with this red. But she, you know, so we're going to do a hair review. Because this hair was $2.99? Really? Maybe it's because of the color and people were scared to fool with it. And everybody can't do red like that. I thought I was one, but it's popping off. And it's making these shoulders look luscious, okay? So, this hair might get me booed up, and if it don't, I still look good. I don't care what they talking about. You missing? Anyway, let me get off here. I done chatted up enough. I will holler at y'all in 4 to 6 weeks. Be sure to purchase Kima braids. Soul Wave, not Ocean. Soul. Soul has a little bit different wave game to it, and I like her. She's nice. My vibes. It's kind of reminding me of I want to say beach curl with free press, but she feels so much softer. It's Kima. Like, y'all know how I roll with Kima. Kima's bae for me. Always has been, always will be. The colors giving life and vibes. I'm here for it. So anyway, it's your girl Tracy Crochetologist here with another video. Sorry it's been so long, but welcome back, family. Hey girl, how you doing? How your mama doing? So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get to doing what I do. I'll holler at y'all in a few minutes, and you know how we get up out of here. You know how we get up out of here. Two of them. Oh yeah, y'all like my nail game? I do my own joints. Yeah. Anyway, that's enough of that.